What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Valentine Snoopy. Let's begin this lesson on the right side of our page with the nose. We'll start at the very top. Let's draw an oval going around towards the bottom and then bring that back up towards the top. Let's add a small highlight oval on the top right side, coming in and then back up, and it will fill the bottom of the nose in black going around that highlight. Now we want to move up and draw the eyes, working our way over towards the left. Let's line up with the left side of the nose, step up, and draw a small oval for the eye, and then we'll fill that in black. Let's move over and draw the same size oval for the left eye, and again, filling that in black. Now from here we're going to work our way around the right side of the head. Starting on top of the right eye, let's step up. Just going to curve this out, around the nose, come down. Now this is going to blend in towards the mouth. Going across. I just want to bend that up on the left side. Let's add a small bracket on the end. I'm going to round out the front of the forehead, bending this in and then up, and I'll round out the top of the head, going up, coming all the way around towards the back. Let's go back and draw in the eyebrows, starting on top of the left eye, curve this up and then down. Now the right eyebrow, we're just going to raise this up and out. Now we're going to go back to the left side and draw in the ear. Starting from the base of the head, bend this out, come down and then in across the bottom. Round this out and then go up and out. Let's trace the bottom half of the ear. Starting on the left, come around towards the bottom and then bring that up on the right side. Let's close off the top with a wave. Starting on the left, round up the top, come down and then up, round this out, and then go up towards the right. Let's fill that inside area in black. Let's move down and draw the top half of the heart on top of the body. We'll start right in the middle with a point. Let's bend this up toward the left, just touching the edge of the ear, and then bring that down towards the side. Let's go back to the center, go up towards the mouth, round this out, and then come down. Now in between the ear and the top of the heart, we're just going to close off the back of the head with a curve, coming in and down. Let's place the fingers on top of the heart, starting on the left, come in and then out like a half circle. Now I'm going to draw two more just down below, going in and out, and then once more. Let's do the same thing on the right, coming in and out. Now we're going to draw on the outside of the hand, connecting the top to the bottom with a curve, going out and then back in. Now let's draw on the bottom of the heart underneath the hands. Starting on the left, coming down and in. I just want to bend that back down towards the center. Let's go over towards the right, come down and in, and then back down towards that bottom point. Now the lower torso and feet are going to stick out from the bottom of the heart. Let's start over on the left side, bend the body, coming down and then in. Draw a straight line coming down towards the feet. Now from the bottom of the ankle, curve the back of the foot, going out, and then in towards the bottom, go straight across towards the right. Let's round out the front of the foot, come up, and then in. Now let's separate the toes with two curves, starting from the outside, come around and in, step in, and draw that again. From the top of the ankle, let's step over, draw a short line going up. Now let's draw on the right side of the body in behind. So we're going to go over underneath the heart, curve this down, and then in, and come down towards the ankle. From the ankle, go straight out, round out the foot, and then bend that in behind. Let's separate the toe with one curve along the right side. I'm going to place the tail over on the left side of the body, starting from the hip, come down and up, and then down and then out. Let's draw on the bottom of the tail, come down and up, and down and up in behind the hip. Now I want to surround the head with 3 hearts. Let's start with one large one on the top left, starting from the middle, going up around the left side, in and then down, go back to the top, go around the right side, in and down. Let's add a smaller one along the bottom left, again starting in the center. Let's add one more on the right side. Let's finish off by adding a message in the center of our heart and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Valentine Snoopy. If you enjoyed today's tutorial, then please give this video a like and share it with all your friends. And if you want to keep drawing with me, then click on this video over here, and I'll see you again soon.